Hey all, my name is Fat Cats and I created 50 Instagram Reels using Midjourney AI images, motivational audio, and mixing it together in Capcut. And I called it the Triumphant Video Series. And here is an example.
Life is short. Break the rules. Forgive quickly. Kiss slowly. Love truly. Laugh uncontrollably. And never regret anything that made you smile.
Why are you doing this?
So ever since I've started taking fitness serious in my life, in my teenage years, or whenever I was just down about life, I just found it super motivating to go on YouTube and hear and watch people talk about getting through hard times, suffering towards life, suffering towards success, improving yourself, building worthwhile habits. So the typical type of topics you'd expect from a motivational video. And if I take it way back, an example would be a person like Greg Plitt.
No one's ever going to help you guys. You've got to help yourself. Don't let what you can't do in the moment interfere with what you know you can do. When you're headstrong and you believe in yourself, that blossoms desire into action.
I really love this guy. He's definitely an OG in the game. A lot of his words really stuck with me, especially in times where I had so much going on, like working a full-time job and going to college and being a part of the National Guard at the same time. But yeah, he's a legend. He was taken too soon, so, rest in peace, my guy. But like I said, these types of videos have always helped me regain that tiny bit of confidence in myself to push forward towards my goals or get through tough times I put myself through because of the mistakes I've made. And yes, motivation can only do so much, but it's this habit of watching these types of videos consistently throughout the years and then applying that sort of mindset to my own life is really what I'm thankful for. So now what I'm doing is creating these types of videos is really just my way of contributing to both the art and community, and really just hope someone takes away a message that helps them reflect on their life the same way it's helped me reflect on mine. And not only that, but this also allows me to develop a skill set with the technology that is growing rapidly at scale. Right? Like AI is growing like wildfire. I feel like on Twitter, there's tweets every day about a new update or a new feature for tools like Midjourney. So I'm sure this will be a skill that will be relevant moving forward.
How do you like the tools you're using?
So I've been using Midjourney to create these AI images in each one of my videos, and honestly, it has been such a great learning experience. One of the best things about Midjourney and this technology is honestly the ability to bring your imagination into life. Like now you can think of the craziest things and have an outlet to express and add a dimension to your very thoughts. Crazy things like a baby lizard with human posture meditating with a karate suit in a dimly lit gym, or even a painting of Darth Vader laying down on a beautiful field and relaxing, or even a retro photo of the ocean with a mountain sunset. And I love how I get to explore things that don't make sense, right? And I do it because I don't want it to make sense. Honestly, it's been pretty therapeutic for me to just create and express what's in my head, because of the capability these tools are allowing me to create. So along with Midjourney, I use Capcut as my go-to editing tool to put everything together. Capcut, especially its mobile version, has been such a convenient way to edit these videos. It has so much features and so much different ways to add yet another dimension to the AI images I've generated through Midjourney. Also, it's an easy way to extract different audios together. And for another example, check out this reel.
You are what you do, not what you say you'll do.
What do you plan to do next?
So if anyone's interested in seeing any more of the videos of the Triumphant Video Series, please check out my Instagram page called Word Advice, where I have all 50 of these motivational reels posted. And although this is my first video on this channel, expect more videos about me deep diving into the tips and tricks I use, strategies, processes, and my thought process on how I created these different types of videos. So stay tuned for more. Much appreciated to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you all in the next one.